That's for getting this video, and here is Sosi Tech. So if you came here through TikTok, let me see you in the comment section. I really appreciate you guys. You are so good, you are so great. Like, I can't say it all, but thanks for coming this far to just watch this video. And if you're new to this account, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll bring you more on this Vodafone data bundles, MTN data bundles, Airtel to go data bundles, and cheap data bundles, and a lot more. I'll bring you all right here on this channel. So you need to subscribe, and let's start with this one. So this is called Bluetown Wi-Fi data bundles, and this is how it works. I'll be explaining to you how it works, how you can just register to buy the data bundles, where you can just get the Bluetown Wi-Fi data bundles, and can you even use it on your phone while you turn on your data? I'll be explaining everything to you right here. So like the video and let's start. So this is how the Bluetown Wi-Fi data works. They help you connect to their hotspot. So on your phone, you will turn on the Wi-Fi and then you connect to Bluetown. So when you connect to their hotspot, you get access to internet and fast speed internet. I mean it. So when you connect to their hotspot, then you'll be able to get access to the internet, and the data that you buy from them will be deducted. That's how it works. So before you buy the Bluetown Wi-Fi data bundles, you should know whether your place has Bluetown Wi-Fi data service available, because it is not available for everywhere. Yes, so for Takoradi, Kumasi, as you see on the screen, these are some of the places that you can just buy it. But check and see if in your place where you are, you can get the access or the hotspot of Bluetown, so that you can just connect and then use the data. Because if you buy the data on your phone and then you turn on your data, it won't work. The data won't be deducted. So make sure you connect to Bluetown Wi-Fi data hotspot. Okay, I mean it. So the hotspot of Bluetown, you connect through using your Wi-Fi, and then the data that you buy will be deducted. So when you check and then you are available or you have Bluetown in your area, so now let me show you. I can just register for the Bluetown data bundle, so that I can just buy the data anytime that you want at cheap prices. Okay, so let's start with this one. And if you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so, because I'll bring you more right here on this channel. And let's start with this one, how you can just register. So to register, just dial this code, and let me take you through the code and how you can just register on my phone. Let's start. So this is the code that I'm going to use to get access to Bluetown. Okay, and I'll show you how you can just register, how you can just buy the unlimited bundle on this Bluetown Wi-Fi data platform, and also how you can reset your password if in case you forget. So when you dial the code, just go to one to register, and then you enter your full name, your surname, and your first name as well. Okay, and kindly give me a like, because it will help me a lot. So after that, then you enter your date of birth, and with the date of birth, you enter according to your day, the month, and also the year, with the slash right there. So as you see on the screen, this is an example showing you how you can just enter your date of birth. So day, month, and year, and then you just enter right here with the slashes in between them. Okay, then after that, you just continue or just tap on reply, and then you choose your gender, male or female or any other. Okay, and then let's continue from there. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for more. So when you tap on reply or continue, it will bring you to this side, and then you confirm your details. Make sure everything that you've entered is correct. Okay, after that, then you enter a password right here, a FortiGate password. Make sure you choose one that you always remember, and after that, you just confirm the password that you've entered. So enter the password twice right here. So I'm selecting 2023 as my password. After that, you'll be registered. You either receive a message or not. And one thing that you always be facing whilst you're registering is this one. You see there was delayed response from the provider of this service. So when you start to register and then you see it, just dial the code again and try again. Okay, keep trying till you get to confirm details. So when you confirm your details and then you set your password, and later you see this, just ignore. You have been registered on the network of Bluetown Wi-Fi data. Okay, so after you've been registered, you should make sure you see the confirm details, you confirm, and then you set your password, and everything will start to work perfectly. Okay, so kindly subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos from here, and like this video for me. Please, at least give me a like. Okay, now let's dial the code to just buy the data bundle on Bluetown. Let me show you the unlimited data that we have on Bluetown. Bluetown have unlimited data that most people are not aware of. Unlimited data for 30 days. Okay, so now just go to buy a bundle, and here buy for self, we have buy for self, buy for different numbers. So the number you buy for should also register, but let's go to buy for self, and let me show you something right there. So one, buy for self, and we have different category of data. We have daily, weekly, and monthly. Let me show you, or let's go to one, the daily, to check the bundles available for us to buy from here. So 1 and then just continue. So we have 500 MB for 2 cedi 50 pesos 1 day, and then 1 gig 5 cedis 1 day, and also 2.5 GB, which is 8 cedis for 5 days. So this is for five days, sure. Yeah. Now let's go back again and let's check for the other data plan, and then I'll show you where you can find the unlimited bundles. So let's check for 2, which is the weekly data bundles. And here we just have one offer for you, which is 6 gig for 16 Ghana cedis for 7 days. Okay, then after that, let's go back and then let's go and check for the monthly data plan, which is 3. Then you go there, we see we have 12.5, and then we have 18.5 gig, we have 30 gig. Okay, and then let me show you where you can just get the unlimited data for 199 Ghana cedis. So just go to 4. We have 4 the special bundles. When you go to 4, you can see 1 unlimited. So you're going to browse unlimited for a whole 30 days for just 199 cedis. It doesn't matter how you use the data, they don't care. Okay, so that's that for the unlimited data bundle. Okay, now let's go to the pin reset. Let's go to the pin reset, and can you give me a like if you haven't? So when you dial the code again, just go to 4. From here, I go to 4, then you go to 1 to request a password. If in case you have forgotten the password, just go to 1, request password, and then they will send the password that you used to register to you in your SMS. Okay, and we also have 2, which is change password. Okay, so depending on your choice, then you just select. But if in case you have forgotten the password, just go to 1, request, and then the password will be sent to you through SMS. So let me show you a message of my password that I set, and then the request that they sent to me with the password in the message. Okay, so as you saw on the screen, your Bluetooth password is 2023, and as you all knew, this is what I used to register for the Bluetooth. And if there's anything you didn't understand, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll answer you very well. So this data that you buy can be used on your phone by just connecting to a Wi-Fi or the hotspot of Bluetooth, and after that you'll be able to use the data that you buy on your phone. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for videos from here. I'll bring you more, and also check on the screen. There is a lot of videos more for you to just learn from us. I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Stay alive.